Okay, this is May 2nd. This is the daily money-making setups from processtrading.com using the right edge trading system. If you've been over to processtrading.com, you know how the system works. That here's the discretionary indicators down here: the Intergy, the Cinnamon Oscillator, and the short-term trend oscillator for making counter trend and discretionary trades. Up above those is the price bars with the get rid of that. Is the price bars with the timing alert dots that are both above and below the price bars, and then you have the process trading VWAP line with its indications of red and green, and the process trading VWAP line itself is going to either be gray for when you can take short trades or yellow when it's in an uptrend and you can take long trades. Now, we take those trades either short or long using the process trading trade management techniques of when the VWAP line is gray, then you can use any timing alert dot above the price bars. And the way you do that, the technique is to look at the low of the bar that the timing alert dot is above. Look at the low of the bar. Place your order entry 2 points below that, 10 or below that. So in this timing alert dot here, you would have placed your trade 2 points below that. Same here, same here. And to the upside, when it is the timing alert dots are below the price bars, and you're going to take a long trade because the process trading VWAP line was yellow with the green indications within it. Then you're going to place your order entry 2 points above the high of the bar with the timing alert dot. So had you done that in this case, you would have made 8.25 points, 13.25, 7 points, 8.25 points, and 12 points. And I realize that nobody is trying to make those type of points, but I am just showing you the efficiency in case you wanted to make 4 points, 4 points on those particular trades. Every day we have multiple setups like that, time and time again. And some of the verifications you can have on it are by looking, and confirmations by looking at the discretionary indicators below it. We see that the energy had went from green to gray, so that shows weakness, and eventually did turn red. And so one of the main indicators here is the Cinnamon Oscillator, where the momentum line cuts down through the Cinnamon line, and kind of a sure indication the price is going to go lower from there. And then the short-term trend oscillator, it's kind of narrow. The channel is kind of narrow here, so I'm not going to go into that, but you can look over on processtrading.com and see how that is interpreted. But truly, you can trade just using the timing alert dots in the trend trading system, and you would have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities today, fairly risk-free. And as you can see, here is the Cinnamon Oscillator when the momentum is below the lower bound and it's just starting to cut up through the Cinnamon Oscillator here. And you see that corresponds to this point right here. So you knew price was going up, and the Cinnamon Oscillators start to angle up. And on a discretionary trade, which would have been a counter trend trade because the VWAP was gray, and that means that price is in a downtrend, so it would have been a contrarian or a counter trend trade. It still would have been very efficient because you can see how that lines up there, and you could have got in right here and made a ton more points. But here's where the timing alert dots in the system let you get in. And I'm not going to go into like this indicator right here, which is a little yellow dot, but you can see these are high probability trades, and then you have a high probability trading technique to go along with it. And then the discretionary indicators, you can look down for confirmation that indeed you are making the right trade. So that's it for May 2nd here. And if you want to get these setups every day, just subscribe. And if you want to learn more about the system itself, head on over to processtrading.com, and hope to see you around. And until the next video, I hope all your trades are successful.